I just want a rough neck on the tongue. You just want to send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now. That just begun. I ain't giving out no to no, just for fun. Are you dumb? Run a man, I don't know no other man. Like 100 just for 100 bands. What? I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's.
Okay, what's up, guys? So we are headed out. Finna run and get our nails done. We actually went into the office like dummy early. So that's a thing. But we're about to actually go to the gas station first, excuse me, and then we're going to get our toes done. So let's ride.
Fuck up that, I just got my whips all painted, ayy. Yeah, bitches famous, I forgot that I was famous, ayy. Cut that top off that color, then I think you're brainless, yeah. Marty wrinkle, yeah, just in case it start raining, yeah. Fuck up that, I just got my whips all painted, ayy. Yeah, bitches famous, I forgot that I was famous, ayy. Cut that top off that color, then I think you're brainless, yeah. Marty wrinkle, yeah, just in case it start raining. Okay, I reset the watch, time to eat. 24 karat wagyu, you boys got the shine off the beat, yeah. Fake woke nigga, fake deep. You ain't no fame before me. Gave your ass a little sneak peek, yeah. Now you gotta take a back seat. 10K I borrowed it from Ski. Turn us into legends in the streets, yeah. Now I'm in my bag, to say the least. They was trying to label me deceased. Someone gotta show me the receipts, yeah. If we on an island, then you know it's not no coney shit. No, it's not no statin' shit. I ain't on no phony shit. Me, I'm good, I don't need shit. Uzi good, he don't need shit. Talking about they took my bitch, you know that ain't my only bitch. Brought her to the crib, she walked through front door.
Okay, what's up, y'all? So I'm chilling right now. I'm at home in the second part of my room. Got some food on the way. We just left the salon. I said nails done because I watched it back. I meant toes because, you know, we're the press-on queens over here. But we got our lavender. And we got a jelly pedicure, as you can see. It was pretty nice. I do want to check out another place. A place that might have, like, wine to serve or something. I think that might be, like, cute or whatever. But I'm chilling for now. Probably work out, might dance later. And nothing going on, y'all. So tomorrow we're going to a rooftop party for our girl Whitney's birthday. So that's exciting. I'm excited about that. But other than that, y'all, ain't nothing going on. And then next weekend, but it'll be in another vlog. We got something else going on. We got two things going on that weekend, but that's another vlog, so we'll save that for then. But how y'all like my little thingy? I don't got no, what you call it on, don't mind me, but I think it's super cute. But, yeah, I'm really just chilling for now, waiting on my daughter to get home. Supposed to be helping some people out at work. So I'm waiting on that. I had a person. I guess they gave up. Never fails. Because our Chick-fil-A get packed. So it might be packed and they like, I don't want to wait. It sucks, but people do it. So we shall see. But I will get back with y'all in a minute. I have lots of video content ideas coming up. Make sure you're following me over on Instagram because that's where most of my content goes first. And then you'll see it on the blog. So make sure you're following me on Instagram. Turn on those post notifications for YouTube and Instagram. Because you never know when I'm going to post something new. Drop something crazy on y'all folks. So stay tuned. Thank y'all for being locked in. What's up, y'all? So y'all see I'm here looking a hot mess. Hair just throwed up any kind of way. I did like a baby workout. Just something slight. Get that fresh pump. Making chicken and dumplings for dinner. I'm chilling right now. I'm actually about to wash my hair. Well, I'm gonna co-wash my hair probably. I might co-wash my daughter's hair too. She needs she needs to hold on to some moisture too. So probably co-wash both of our hair this weekend. Y'all already know I got this party going on tomorrow, so that's why we are washing the head of ours. I want to try some curls because I want to wear curls to the event that I have next weekend too. So I'm like, okay, if I want to test them out for this event. So if they don't turn out right, I can be like, okay, that was a fail. Don't do that again. Try something else. So yeah. But oh, look at my baby trying to come back to life. But yeah, we're chilling. It is 6:50, so basically 7 o'clock. It's Friday. So we are moving along. I probably won't be back until tomorrow. Cause just there's really nothing going on. Like literally nothing going on. Yeah, there's nothing going on. I'm literally sitting here, I'm like to-do list like De'Ara type, and I'm like, there's no to-do list for today. Because we accomplished the one thing we need to do, which was get our toes done, and they look beautiful. So we're chilling. So I guess I will talk to y'all folks tomorrow. Peace. Good morning, y'all. It is Saturday. I literally just woke up. I have to do my daughter's hair, and then she wants her hair braided for her award ceremony on Monday. So it's looking like either I gotta buckle down, which my nails aren't too long, but they're long enough. So it's like either I gotta buckle down and braid it, or I'm trying this morning like really hard to find somebody, because they're like, no same day appointments, which is fine with me. But I'm like, somebody, somebody, please, can I bring her tomorrow, please, tomorrow morning? Like, so I'm trying to find somebody to braid her hair, because if I can't find somebody, then I gotta do it. And she wanted braids, but she might have to hold off, and I might have to do the cute big bun that we talked about for this. And then for her actual, no, when we're supposed to be taking her to Florida, because we're supposed to be going to Florida not in June, but July, then we can work on that then. Work on the braids then, or just for the summertime, because she got a lot of stuff to do for Girl Scouts or whatever. But I'm gonna bring y'all along with me today for anything that I like might do. Ain't nothing really happening. Everybody's really still asleep. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning, so I'll get back with y'all later on today when stuff is shaking and baking. Peace. What's up, y'all? Here looking extra rough. We got Pumpkin in the cut. We are blow drying her hair out. She's got to wash.
Time to do yellow. Let's just go.
Y'all, I am so tired already. We're gonna blow dry it for now. We might just leave it and then let her go to her stuff tonight for Girl Scouts, and then we'll braid it up tomorrow, because yeah, I got carpal tunnel in both wrists. I really was trying to find somebody who would let her come in tomorrow. That would be more ideal, but it's looking like it's gonna be me. So I'm just like, give me a break, okay?
But outside I keep it quiet. You know I stay on the lowest of the lowest. Hopefully you can keep it like nobody knows shit. I need you to get the fuck on my space. Basement's on the way, keep on back. You know I stay on the lowest of the lowest. I don't need a like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business tell me I'm choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you will know me, keep it silent. Might be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know I stay on the lowest of the lowest.
Okay, what's up, y'all? So we are headed to the event for tonight. Y'all see I got my hair wrapped up because I got the sunroof open. I'm riding. It's gonna take me, I think, about like 40 something minutes to get there. I'm definitely running behind, but it's all good. We're gonna get there. We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna have some drinks. We're gonna enjoy ourselves. That's all that matters. So let's get it.
Dreamer.
Aún es lo iba a 60, iba por mi mente quieta. Mi corazón está llena, yo te siento diferente.